To get the most out of the leg extension and to make sure it's both safe and effective, there's two things you have to put in place before you get started. We want to make sure that the knee lines up with this section here, and also that the pad itself is resting on the shins and not on the ankle. You can line up the knee by moving the pad at the back, and you can line up where the pad should be here by twisting the knob and allowing it to move up and down, and you'll notice that there's numbers on the front as well. Just make sure this is nice and tight before you start. Okay, so you want the feet to be hip width apart, and you want the knee tracking over the second to fourth toe. Once you sit back, you've got handles to your sides here as well. Just make sure you check the weight before you start lifting. And you'll notice obviously that this is actually in pounds. We do have fraction plates here as well. These are roughly about 1 kg. So you can actually move those in between the weights. So say between 10 and 30 pounds is too heavy, you can add on some fraction plates. Okay, so hands on the handles, create some tension through the abdominals, and then what you want to do is extend the knee and then contract the front of the thighs at the top. Come down nice and slow, and then contract. Now at the top of this position, I'm actually contracting the tops of the thighs. I'm not really just driving through the knees. So what you're actually trying to do is you're trying to pull the knee to the hip. And that is a leg extension.